Hi guys and welcome back. In this video we're going to learn about for loops. A for loop is used to repeat something a defined number of times. That is, when you know how many times you want to repeat it. But a for loop in Python has a slightly different way about it than in other programming languages. So if you're coming from a different programming language, this is more like a for each loop. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry, let's learn about it. First of all, I will start with a friends list, which has the names of my friends. And then we will create our for loop. What we want to do is we want to print the name of each friend separately into its own lines. So what we'll do is we will do for, that is the keyword that signals that we want to start a for loop, and then we will do friend in friends, print friend. So a few familiar things going on in here. We've got the colon, we've got the indented body of the loop, but we do have something a bit weird going on in this line. Friend in friends. We learned that this was a Boolean comparison earlier on, right? But what is friend? We've not defined this variable anywhere. And here's the thing. This is not a Boolean comparison. What's going on here is you're telling Python to give you a new variable called friend once for every friend. So we're saying friend will be the first element in friends. Then when the loop repeats again, friend will now be the second element in friends. Then friend will be the third element in friends, and so on. This is why it uses also the in keyword, but it means something different than if you use it anywhere else. In the for loop, you've got for, new variable, in list. And then you get one iteration of the loop or one repeat of the loop for every value in that list. Note that instead of lists, you can use tuples, you can use sets or dictionaries here, and that's totally fine. Those are all known as iterables because you can iterate over them. You can use them for exactly this.